Welcome back. Now to the battle over abortion rights. Days after Arizona Supreme Court ruled an abortion ban dating back to the Civil War cannot be enforced. Can now be enforced. The ban does not account for rape or incest, but only in the case where the mother's life is protected. This, of course, sending shockwaves across the state. Within 2 months, it'll be illegal for a doctor to perform an abortion here, and that doctor could face up to 5 years in prison if convicted. Right now, there's an attempt to get signatures so that an initiative goes on the November ballot to codify reproductive rights in the state. And many here say that will propel them to go to the polls. Attorney Hector Diaz is back once again. So let's divide this up, Hector. Okay, so on the one hand, you've got the Arizona Supreme Court, right, saying that anyone who violates the ban will face 2 to 5 years in prison. Then you've got Attorney General Chris Mays saying that she's not going to prosecute any doctor or woman who has an abortion. And then Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell is saying that she won't prosecute women who receive an abortion or in cases of rape, incest, or molestation. So who has the higher hand, and what about the other counties?
What these prosecutors are saying, and these are top prosecutors in Arizona, right? These are the largest, the Arizona Attorney General here, Ms. Mays, oversees criminal prosecutions across the state.
Right.
And so she can say, our office, the Arizona Attorney General, is not going to prosecute. Rachel Mitchell, the county attorney, can speak for Maricopa County, right? And they're using their prosecutorial discretion, is what they're saying. That we're not going to charge. What about the other county attorneys? That's the question, is that, they're not the final say. They are an important factor here, but they're not the final say. The other issue is doctors, nurses that may be involved in this in terms of potentially administering abortions, they're also subject to medical boards, nursing boards. And those nursing boards are not part of these prosecutors' agendas or their policies or whatever. And so they may have an issue with it as well. And so doctors and nurses, while they are going to take some solace with the fact that, hey, I'm not going to be prosecuted according to these prosecutors, it's still a very, very murky issue. It's got to be resolved a bit. I anticipate this is going to go and it'll be up on the November ballot and it'll be hammered out by legislators.
Yeah. All right, Hector, thank you.